Most people get this wrong. They assume like credit cards are just basic cards with no real benefits, but the Westbeck Light credit card actually offers some interesting perks while keeping things simple and low cost. Today, they'll break down what you need to know before applying. The Westbeck Light credit card is designed for people who want a straightforward card without the high fees or complicated rewards programs. It has a low annual fee, which makes it ideal for everyday spending without worrying about hidden costs. You still get all the essential protections like purchase security and fraud monitoring, which keeps your transactions safe. One of the biggest advantages is its competitive interest rate for a low-fee card, which is great if you occasionally carry a balance. Unlike some premium cards, you won't be penalized with high annual fees, making it ideal for budget-conscious users. The card also includes digital banking integration. You can manage your account through the Westbeck app, track spending, set up alerts, and make payments easily. This feature is especially useful if you want to stay on top of your finances without manually checking statements. The surprising truth is that despite being light, you can still get access to some lifestyle benefits like discounts on selected Westbeck partner services and overseas travel protection when you use your card internationally. Most people assume they won't get any perks, but there's more than meets the eye. In conclusion, the Westbeck Light credit card is perfect for someone who wants a simple, low-cost credit card with essential protections and easy digital management. If you don't need high rewards or premium benefits, this card can be a smart choice. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to pick the right card for your financial goals.